Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make wine taste good. First, consider the serving temperature. It dramatically affects how you perceive the flavors and aromas. Next, for many red wines, decanting can be a game changer, allowing the wine to open up. Finally, pairing your wine with the right food can create a truly harmonious and enjoyable experience, bringing out the best in both. White wines truly shine when served properly chilled, ideally between 45 and 50 degrees Fahrenheit. For red wines, aim for a cool room temperature, around 60 to 65 degrees Fahrenheit, to bring out their complex notes. Decanting is crucial for many reds. Allowing them to breathe for 30 minutes to 1 hour can significantly improve their smoothness and aroma. When pairing, think about matching the wine's body with the food's richness. Light-bodied white wines, for example, are excellent with delicate dishes like grilled fish or salads. Full-bodied red wines, on the other hand, stand up well to hearty meals such as roasted lamb or a juicy steak. Sweet wines create a delightful balance when served with desserts. Proper storage is key to maintaining your wine's quality over time. Always store bottles horizontally in a cool, dark place, away from direct sunlight and vibrations. This keeps the cork moist and prevents premature aging. Also, avoid extreme temperature changes, which can quickly spoil your wine. Remember to check the description for a link to the oenophile water bottle and other great deals to keep you refreshed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.